Hi everyone, my name is Amit. In this episode, we will check BTC updates. Also, we will take a look to this platform called Yeagers.tech, a non-custodial AI trading platform built specifically for crypto. We will break down everything about this platform. You know, manual trading can be hard when you are a beginner. DCA bots can't adapt to market crashes, but what if you could deploy autonomous AI trading agents that adapt to the market conditions 24/7 without risking your private keys? Today we are looking at Yeagers, a non-custodial AI trading platform built specifically for crypto. In this episode we will check two things. First about BTC and next we will move forward with this platform. In last episode I have shared about BNB. If you have missed this video you can check this, and second last video is about BTC where I have showed some key levels in weekly as well as daily. In this episode we will focus on 4-hour chart guys. 4-hour looks so good here as per this candlestick analysis. Price is strictly following this level here. Okay, here you can see the movements of the candlesticks under this point. First of all, it has taken one resistance point and afterwards it has shown some good strength at the support of trend line, and afterwards you can see every time price is clicking and creating new high. First high was here 64k level and another high is created here new, that is 65k plus, and you can see recently it was created 66k high. So every time price is creating new high above this channel, that's why this can be pure uptrend. We have next resistance point here to keep in mind, like this. If you go with the rectangle formation, this could be like this near about 68k zone. If this uptrend stays continue, then we might see some new levels till 68k level. That's about, you can see here 5% profits targets can be achievable here, but make sure to follow the risk management, and if price goes against our prediction then we might put our stop loss below 64k level. These things applies when you do manual trading, but if you don't wanna do this manual trading, if you don't wanna stay tuned with the DCA bots, then we have another option in this episode called Yeagers AI Trading Agents. We will take a look step by step to this platform. Before we starting, I wanna give you a strong disclaimer. This video does not contain any type of financial advice. If you are watching this video, you can take a look to this platform if you are interested, but this is not any type of financial advice. You can learn from this episode, you can test it on your paper trading, because this platform is also gives you an option called paper trading. Before involving your real funds, you can test out this platform using paper trading. Interesting, right? Now let's get started with Yeagers.tech AI Trading Agents. What is Yeagers and why use AI agents? First, let's clear a huge misconception. Yeagers is not a copy trading group or a liquidity pool. It's 100% non-custodial trading automation tool. What does non-custodial mean? It means Yeagers does not hold any type of funds. You connect your exchange like Binance Futures, OKX and Bybit via secure API keys. I will show you step by step. If you want to take a look to this platform link is given in the video's description. Simply you can check that. After clicking the link in the video's description, simply click on start free and create your account here. Either you can use your email address, password, confirm password, referral code, or you can simply go with continue with Google. Once you are done, you are here now. Right now I have connected one exchange here which is Binance. I will show you step by step how you can do it. Let me clear first of all added API keys. With just one click you can clear your API keys from this platform. That's very simple process. First of all, I will show you how to connect your exchange with this platform. Simply I have to click on settings, Binance, enter API key and secret key. Here we go. To get your API keys from Binance account, simply click on profile and afterwards setting tab and API management. I have created one, but I would like to create one more to show you. Simply click on system generators and enter name here. Okay, right now you can see API key and secret key is showing here. Simply I have to paste here. Okay, all set. Once you are done, simply click on connect exchange. Applying thing means process is ongoing. Now you can see here exchange is connected successfully. If you want to clear API key, simply you can click here clear API, and if you want to delete your account, simply you can use the delete button. Now you can see in my Binance account, $50.39 are active, and right now same thing is showing here in balance section futures tab. 50 USDT live. For paper trading, I have 10,000 USDT. Also, you can track your data, spot, futures, and paper trading. Okay, realized and balance. In my future section, 50 USDT live, so I can open your trades. I have increased my limit. If you see subscription, currently one subscription plan is enabled here. You can see different plans are available, like beginner, advanced, expert. Annual plans with beginner, advanced, and expert. In beginner section, which is currently active plan, live trading is accepted 5, trade limit 50, paper trading 15, and support section is available. In advanced section with $29, I can open 20 live trades. Trade limit is 200 and paper trading is 40. $89 live trading up to 80, trade limit 1000 and paper trading 40, and so on. With annual plans, you will reduce here 20 to 35% of price. Okay, right now I have shown you live trading 5, trade limit 50, paper trading is active with current plan. I can simply explore here number of trades, which is 5 trades I can open here, either for long or short here. Also I can choose duration here for 30 days, for 7 days, and for 90 days. Let me choose one bot to show you how it works. Okay, I can connect one bot here. Minimum 8 USDT required here, and you can add stop loss. If you enter values here in deactivate if lost USDT, then it will work as a stop loss. Minimum 8 USDT is added, and you can see some more options in advanced tab. Max open trades, leverage. You can easily adjust here and simply click on connect. With just a couple of seconds, you can open your AI agent here, and this will run 24/7. Okay, this one is active right now. You can see in my AI trades successfully one is showing here, and paper trading 3 AI agents are working here in paper trading section. In future section, one is right now live. I can open more to show you. For example, H bar, I can connect this bot. If I lose 3 USDT, this bot will auto close, and 8 USDT is going to add in H bar USDT. Direction is long. Also you can track here live chat and backtest. Okay, now you can see 3 bots are successfully connected here. This will take some time because I have just opened this. Okay, stay connected with me. I will publish more videos on it to show you how it is working. Now let me choose one more AI agent, this one. Before you connect these, you can see here complete ROI data, live, backtest, sharp ratio, max drawdown win ratio, runtime trades, assets correlation, trades frequency. Now I can add here 10 USDT and max stop loss at $3. Leverage I can adjust if I want. Simply I have to connect this. Okay, right now 4 AI agents are working. I can add one more. Goals, limits of 5, which I have purchased right now, right? Dogecoin. Here also you can track performance. According to the performance, you can open your AI agent. Now I will use for these towards short direction. 3 USDT is okay for me as a stop loss, and you can see 5 AI agents are successfully opened. This is live trade, guys. My AI trades, you can see after some of time, according to the market, my AI agent will show here profits and losses. 5 AI agents are successfully connected here. In paper trading, 3 is active. If I want, I can also add for paper trading as well. For example, here I can simply enter any value here and deactivate if reaches ratio for 20 USDT. So it's up to you. If you want to test out this platform, you can use paper trading. If you want to go with the live trading, simply click on futures and connect your API keys. Keep your balance on Binance exchange or any you can use here. OKX and Bybit option is available, so I can easily connect any AI agent bot here. If you want to connect with more live trading accounts, you can simply check for more subscriptions like 29 USDT, 89 USDT. Okay, up to 80 live trading agents can be connected here. Okay, right now first subscription is active, and you can see here 5 AI agents are connected. Also you may refer with your friends, invite friends, and you may earn 20% of every payment they make. How it works: share referral code with your friends. When they purchase any subscription, you might get here 20% commission here. Okay, also you can explore news here to stay connected with the market. In dashboard, you will see here diversification meter is changed to mid. We have successfully diverted our trades into multiple AI agents. Bold points of AI agents: adaptive intelligence, multi-agent swarms, zero coding needed. You don't need any type of coding knowledge. Simply connect your exchange API key. This platform will do automatically. Adaptive intelligence means Yeagers uses predictive AI models optimized over 1.5 million backtested scenarios to adjust to shifting markets regimes. Multi-agent swarm means instead of just one static rule, swarms handle routine execution, stop losses, and auto deactivation when market conditions turn risky. In terms of deactivate ratio, we have seen as stop loss point, right? And we don't need any type of coding knowledge. So that's how this AI trading works here. If you want to take a look to this platform, you can check the link which is available in the video's description. I hope today's episode was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.